Hello there, I'm Sergio Explains, and today I want to talk to you about this special edition with wooden box, Johnnie Walker. Strange thing. Johnnie Walker Double Black 1 liter from Argentina. This is extremely limited edition. Weird. You know what? I have to say this. In the southern hemisphere, not always, really not always, but for some reason, a lot of times in the southern hemisphere, boxes do not open the same way as they do in the northern hemisphere. This is southern hemisphere Argentinian opening this way. This is a bottle. This is a box with a bottle inside from normal northern hemisphere United States, Europe. They open this way. But for some reason in the southern hemisphere, sometimes instead of opening this way, they open this way. In any case, I'll talk to you about this bottle and special edition box on my next video. I got carried away. This special edition wooden box from Argentina, Johnnie Walker Double Black 1 liter. It was extremely limited edition. And to tell you the truth, it's not very high quality, you know. It's just like a simple, it's sturdy, it is sturdy, but it looks like someone just like painted something on the top. And it's almost homemade, but it's not homemade. This is an extremely limited edition from Argentina. This came out a few years ago, and I was lucky enough and persistent enough, because if you are a collector, you have to be persistent. So I was lucky and persistent both, and I got a couple of this. And what happened was I actually drank one of them, and I had 2 boxes and just 1 bottle. The other one was empty. And there is a friend of mine who is one of the most important Johnnie Walker collectors that I know. He is the co-administrator with me. We both are administrators of the Johnnie Walker Collectors and Fans group in Facebook. So he wanted the bottle, the box, not the bottle. There was the empty bottle, but the box, I actually sold it to him. I could have given it to him, but I didn't. I sold it to him. So that's a story. I know of only 2 of these. The other ones, I don't know how many they made. Probably 200 or less, yeah? Or fewer, should I say. 200 or fewer. So there you go. Here you can see it. Very simple box. Nothing else. It's sturdy though. You can kick this, kick this box and nothing will happen. And it is a 1 liter bottle. And what are those 2 minis doing there? Nothing. They're just filling up space. Talk to you soon.